I'm Mike Henning from Mine on Transfer Guy, and today I'm going to show you our updated version for 2023 text editor. I don't know whether you've purchased Office before, but if you haven't, then obviously this will be new to you. But if you have, then you are going to notice some big differences in how to use the text editor. So on some of our products, mainly the text related products like these, and this one here, we have a text editor for you to be able to customize your own text. So you can personalize what you put on, what you want on your transfers and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like now. As you can see with this particular product, this is for a single line text, but this one here is for a single line, a double line, or a triple line. So if you can just bear in mind, this one here is also for a double line. So I think the best one that I can use to show you all the options is probably this one here. So let me just click on this, and you should open the product. And you come in like this, and the first thing that it says, it gives you a little pop-up here, and it just says with this text editor you can simply add your text, choose your font, and enlarge your text view. It also gives you a little reminder relating to colors and the displayed radio buttons that we are providing. The colors on the radio buttons might be, when you receive your actual transfer, the colors might be slightly lighter or darker in reality. So let's just click off that, because that's just a little bit of information, and we come to here. So we're on the actual product page here, and here it's instructing us to add some text. So it's saying enter some text here, then click or touch the add text button, which is this here, and then in the text editor click or touch the text to edit it. So let's just put some text in here. So I'm just going to put hello, then I'm going to add, touch the add, or click on the add text button as it said, and once I do that, that box will disappear, and here is the text. Now, to be able to edit this text, all you have to do is click on the text. So once you click on the text, the toolbar will come up. This will provide you with fonts, so you can add fonts, various different fonts to this. Let's just choose a font. Let's go with that one there. And if you want to, once you've done this and you decide that you want to add more text, so you want 2 or 3 lines, as I said before, this can either be a single line, a double line, or a triple line. So if you want to add extra lines, you just need to move that up, and I'll just do that again. So basically you just use this edit text button here, and you can then put some more text in if you haven't already done it. So you can have up to 3 lines of text. What you need to do is to try to keep the text within these bounding boxes. So 2 lines would be this particular area here. Okay, we're just going to make that big enough to go in there. Okay, so it's not going to work like that. So what I need to do is stretch it. So here's a handy little tool. All you've got to do is click on this transform button here, and then unlock this little padlock here, and then what that enables you to do is to stretch upwards and across. Okay, so you can stretch upwards and across to go the full length. So that would be your hello hello. Now there is one other option that you can use within this text editor, and that is colors. So I'm not sure if you can see what that says, that little black box there. It says, for display purpose only, use radio buttons below to confirm text color. So even though you may click on this, it's purely for display purposes only. So you can have a look at roughly what sort of colour. It may not be exactly the same colour as you receive, but it gives you a general idea of what colours. And once you've done that, you've pretty much edited your text. You just need to scroll down, and this is where you choose your text. So you confirm your custom text color here. This is the color we will print your text in. If you use, for argument's sake, this, let me give you an example, and you open this up, and you'll notice there are glitter colors in here too. But if you use those glitter colors on the display, that is not what you will receive. You will receive one of these colors, which you then have to choose. So let's just say you want red, and you're going to get a standard, because you're actually purchasing a standard PU vinyl transfer. You're not purchasing a glitter transfer. So you've chosen your color. You can then change the size. If you want the size it's smaller than the actual default sizes, which are in here, so you choose this size. Whether it be a single line text, we've done a double line, so it's going to be a double line text, and that is going to be 24 centimeters by 13 centimeters. If we're happy with that, then we'll go ahead. If you want it smaller, all you have to do is type in here 20 by, or just say 20 wide, because you won't know the proportion of the depth. So 20 centimeter wide. You can change it width-wise. Obviously, that will change the proportion as well. If you have multiple names, for argument's sake, let's just say this was a single name that you were purchasing, but you want to purchase more than one name. Okay, so if you have multiple names, let's just go back with the toolbar. You can put one name in here, so the first name can go in there, and then rather than have to keep coming back and redoing it, you can just add your extra names in this box here. So you've got also put the name that you put in here. So we put in hello, so let's just assume that's a name. And so on. So we go name, comma, name, comma, name, comma. You can do it in uppercase, which is what I've done here. You can do it in title case, which is like this, or you can do it in lowercase, which is like this. So whatever way you put your text in here or up here, we will just follow that suit. Okay, so that's pretty much quite simple, really. You just keep putting all your names in. If you wanted 10 names, then you put your 10 names in there, including the one that you put up here. And then all you have to do is add this. We've got 3 in here, so I'm just going to add that. Okay, and that will then change the price, because obviously we get a discount because we get more than we've done more than one name. Then all you need to do is add it to cart, and the cart will open. And this, let me just get rid of this one. This was something I did previously. And there you go. That's showing you your actual piece of text there. It's telling you that you want hello David and Tony. It's telling you the color was red. This is your font. Okay, this is what it looks like. If you want to just look back on it, just click on the font. There it is. Okay, do not add to cart again. Go back in here to view the cart. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Then you choose your whatever option you want for postage, and then go to proceed to checkout, and the job is done. It's very, very simple. It's much easier than it used to be. Previously, you used to fill in some of the information, then you would click on go to custom editor. You click on a custom editor button, it would open up a brand new page, and then you'd be starting from there. This, the way that we're doing it here, basically it's all on the one page, so there should not be any difficulty in using this particular thing. Many thanks for watching.